Hi, I'm Dr. Shabazz. I teach photojournalism, public speaking, and English 11. In photojournalism, we have students work as reporters, and it's a great opportunity for students who are thinking about majoring in journalism. It's also good for students to get in front of the camera and get a feel for broadcasting. And sometimes we do have students who actually change their major into journalism because of this class. Their news is posted on our Any River High School YouTube channel every day and is broadcast throughout the school. I teach public speaking, which is one of the most important life skills, and I'm also the public speaking coach. We have won the region, super region, and state tournament for 2 years now, back to back, and we hope to continue on that success. But the secret to that success is just recruiting the best students from the public speaking class, and those are both electives. The English 11 course is different because the English 11 course is a course where students are required to pass both the reading and writing SOL. So this class, they're going to write every day. They're going to read every day. They're going to have at least 3 assignments that include testing their reading comprehension, testing their writing comprehension, and making sure that the students are going to be prepared to pass that SOL assessment. The class, we want everyone to enjoy each and every day they're with me. We want everyone to make sure they're learning, but learning in a fun environment. And there's nothing wrong with that. You may hear from me just to give praise to your child, or you may hear from me just to talk about, hey, here's an update on what your child is doing. Nonetheless, you can always reach me at my email, and you will see that I email your child each and every day. In addition to emailing your child each and every day with a daily agenda, they also have that same agenda posted to Canvas. So just in case your child is absent, they will always have an idea of what we're covering in class. And speaking of attendance, make sure that your child has his or her attendance up to date, because that is one policy that we have to adhere to. And we want to make sure that every child gets as much classroom instruction as possible. We don't want them missing on too much classroom instruction, even with agendas being emailed to them each and every day. Again, you can reach me at any time. I check my email every day during my 3rd block planning, and I look forward to meeting each of you.